Hello everyone, welcome to TVSL Mind. See, today I will give you secrets about insurance without Guru Mushti. 5 steps to cheap car insurance premiums. 5 simple strategies you should know before buying or renewing your car insurance. These tried and tested tips won't cost you a penny, but could save you hundreds every year. Car insurance. A company, cheap car insurance, UK car insurance is compulsory. But it's not necessary to pay more than you have to. A few simple steps combined with sometimes surfing for competitive car insurance rates really can save you serious money at renewal time. Step 1. Cut the risk and cut the cost. Less than, be greater than. The easiest way to cut your car insurance premiums is to cut the risk and accept a higher voluntary excess. An insurer's standard excess may be £100, but if you meet the first £250 of any claim, you'll see a reduction in your premium. This is because you're taking on more of the risk, so you get a discount. But it's a gamble. Be aware that you might have to meet the cost of a broken window after an attempted theft or a bill for repairing bodywork damage after a car park crunch. Step 2. Security means savings. Less than, be greater than. Fitting security devices can also result in cheap car insurance premiums. All major insurers insist on FATCHM-rated security equipment. Usually a minimum of an alarm. If you live in a high-risk area for car crime, it makes sense to fit extra security. It saves you money when your insurance renewal is due and gives you extra peace of mind. Step 3. Annual mileage. Less means more in your pocket. Less than, be greater than. If your annual mileage is 5,000 miles or less, ask insurers if they offer discounts for agreed mileage restrictions. Step 4. Named drivers trick. Less than, be greater than. Adding a named driver to your policy can increase or reduce your premiums depending upon the named driver's age, sex and driving record. Adding a young driver will increase your premiums, particularly with a limited or poor driving record. However, adding a driver over 30 years old with a long and clean driving record can cut premiums, particularly if the named driver is female. Step 5. Shop around and save even more. Less than, be greater than. The biggest car insurance savings come from shopping around. There can be massive differences between the lowest and highest car insurance quotes for exactly the same car and drivers. Start off using good comparative online quotation sites. Take their best quotes and go direct to the cheapest car insurance company for more specific quotes. So next time your renewal quote arrives, don't just accept it and give your money away to the insurance company. Use the steps above and get the right cover at the right price.